This is our overall project demonstration, which includes a web display and the self-packaged Daewoo equipment, achieving real-time operation and maintenance status monitoring of the machine tools. This is the productized packaging of the display part, showcasing the processing operation status of the machine tools and monitoring data such as tool failure records placed next to the machine tools, enabling visual operation and maintenance of the machine status. Next is the introduction of the overall interface, where the mobile app developed using Openharmony realizes mobile visualization of real-time machine tool data. It provides users with convenient monitoring and maintenance, greatly enhancing the level of equipment maintenance. In the machine tool status monitoring interface, it can display the machine's operating status and processing time in real time. This is our data parameters interface. The data collected through the DUX 1800 sensors and servo motor drivers includes motor speed, electrical power, current, voltage, and tooltip temperature, all displayed in real time on the mobile app, achieving effective operation and maintenance monitoring. In the working status interface, when a tool failure occurs, users can register the equipment that failed and the reason. After registration, it synchronizes with the data displayed on the large screen. This is the tool status interface. Before processing, users can register the tools being used, showing the condition of the tools.